So this is my waterfall bamboo. Compared to the parent that it comes from, this one gets really short, probably because of the variegation causing it to stunt. But to me, this is the perfect variegation for a bamboo. And yeah, I really like it. The leaves are long, but finally starting to get some little shoots. Some shoots down here coming up, nice and thick. I got this from Tropical Bamboo back in the winter, and I really like it. It's a really cool looking bamboo. Just all the different colors on the leaves, different shades of greens, whites, and grays. Really like it.